Hulu promotional offers. As of February 2025, Hulu provides several promotional offers to cater to different audiences. Student discount. Offer. Students enrolled in accredited colleges or universities can subscribe to Hulu's ad-supported plan for $1.99 per month, which is a 75% discount from the standard price. Eligibility. Verification through Share ID is required. Disney+, Hulu, and Max bundle. Offer. Access to Disney+, Hulu, and Max streaming libraries. Price. With ads, the bundle is available for $16.99 per month. The ad-free version costs $29.99 per month. Free trial. Offer. New subscribers can enjoy a 30-day free trial on select Hulu plans. Details. This allows users to explore Hulu's content library before committing to a subscription. Military discount. Offer. Active duty military personnel and veterans can receive a 10% discount on Hulu subscriptions. Eligibility. Verification through ID.me is required. Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. Offer. During promotional periods, Hulu has offered its ad-supported plan for $1 per month for 12 months. Availability. These deals are typically time-limited and may not be currently active. Referral Program. Offer. Existing subscribers can refer friends to Hulu and receive account credits upon successful signups. Details. Both the refer and the referee may receive benefits, such as discounted subscription rates. Seasonal promotions. Offer. Hulu occasionally provides seasonal discounts or extended free trials during holidays or special events. Details. These promotions vary and are typically announced on Hulu's official website or through partner channels. Please note that promotional offers are subject to change. It's advisable to visit Hulu's official website or authorized partners for the most up-to-date deals.